Now that you have purchased the OutdoorMaps Plus subscription for your compatible Garmin Multisport watch, we will show you how to complete the activation. You will need your compatible smartphone, a Wi-Fi connection, and your watch with the latest software version installed. If your watch is already paired to the Garmin Connect application, you should automatically receive the latest software. For help pairing your watch to the Garmin Connect application, please see the owner's manual link in the description and search for Pairing Your Phone. You will need to be logged into the same account on the Garmin Connect application that was used to purchase the OutdoorMaps Plus subscription. For help, see the link in the description. To activate your subscription, begin on your watch. First, press the Start/Stop button to open the Activity and Apps list. Then use the Down button to scroll down to locate Map Manager. Press the Start/Stop button to open the activity. If you do not see Map Manager in the list, see adding or removing a favorite activity in your owner's manual. Then press the Start/Stop button to access OutdoorMaps Plus. You will see a QR code. Scanning the QR code will link you to a page where you can purchase your OutdoorMaps Plus subscription. Press the Start/Stop button to process your activation. Now press the Start/Stop button to check for the OutdoorMaps Plus subscription. Your OutdoorMaps Plus subscription is now activated. To download maps, select Add Map to start. On the Add Maps screen, you can choose from searching from your current location, points of interest, or saved location. Once in the map view, press the Start/Stop button to confirm the map area you would like to install. Here you will see information about the selected map area. When you are ready, select the Start/Stop button to begin the download. You can also make changes to the information. This includes name, layers, and selected area. Press the Down button to access the Edit Map menu. To change the name, press the Start/Stop button. Use the on-screen keyboard to name your map. You may even use the Garmin Connect app as the keyboard to speed up the entry. Select the green check mark to confirm the change. Layers shows all of the map layers that will be included with your selected map area. To learn more about map layers, select More Info. Then select the map layer you would like to learn more about. Press the back button twice to return to the map layer selection menu. Press the Start/Stop button to remove a selected map area. When complete, press the back button to return to the Edit Map menu. Selected area allows you to change the map size. Here you can touch the map screen or press and hold the up button to access additional tools, such as panning and zooming. These tools allow you to move or change the size of the map. Press the Start/Stop button to cycle through the available tools. Press and hold the Start/Stop button to confirm your selected map. When you are ready, press the Start/Stop button to begin the download. For the download to begin, plug the watch into a power source. Please note that this process will take a while to complete and will vary depending on the file size. If you are using a computer, you will be prompted to start the map download. Select the check mark to begin. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.